These will be both elevators at the bridge on the other side. Ooh, what the? Yeah, these are the ones I couldn't film because my phone died during my last trip here. So I just came back to get the rest of them. Series 2 or something, or 4. Oh god, level's down. There goes that one. Alright, the one on the other side. Oh, it's here. Good. Oh, no lights are working on this one. That's kind of funny. Doesn't really matter, because we got a view. This one's got a stick out button a little bit. Alright, let's set a motor on this. This one doesn't level down. Yeah, look, this one is more stick out, like, unlike this one. The way they start and stop are not good. Cab is okay. That's locked. Obviously an Otis. Yep. That was both elevators on the bridge, the West Bridge. There it goes, and that's it.